First things first, I need some coffee, but this thing is looking ick, so I'm gonna clean it first and then I'll start a brew. As it occurred to me, this is my final opportunity to upload a video for 2022. So we are going to be doing a reset of my household, trying to get things ready for 2023. There's a lot of stuff that I've been wanting to clean up. My house is a wreck, so that's why we're going to be doing this video. And then since we had our bathroom remodeled, that curtain has got to go back. Ijibon's gonna help us tear apart all the recycling, aren't you?
So many pieces. Thanks for taping me. Struggling.
So I made a list of all the things I wanted to do. Go ahead and cross the dishes off. We've done that. And the next thing I would do would be this. I'm gonna clean out the fridge before we go grocery shopping this weekend. And there we are, a nice clean refrigerator. I didn't clean these on the shelves. I did clean that one, but yeah. I gotta move along to other things before I lose motivation. One of the other things on my list today was to take care of my plants. They haven't been watered in a little while, particularly these ones. So they were little propagations. Still got, and there's another one over here. Yeah. But those haven't been planted. They didn't grow roots like these ones did. Gonna water my babies. Alrighty, everything has been watered. I even repotted 2 of my plants. This one was in a really small bowl. And this one right here was sharing a pot with somebody else. So he finally got his own pot today. My next task is to dust and organize all this. I want to put Link's ashes on the shelf somewhere. You can see it's super dusty. So I have these lights, like little fairy lights, I'm gonna string them along the side. They used to be on here before I moved into this house. So let's put them back where they belong. I want them to go down here, but I want... Now I can hang my pictures up there. When Link passed in June, I put him up there in the closet, and this is where he's been the entire time. So we're gonna take him down and put him on my shelf today. This is certificate of cremation, June 10th. Alright, so I got it all clean and reset. Link's back there in the corner. Whenever he was cremated, they were nice enough to send me a little paw print. I love that. I put a lot of little hearts around it. Well, there you go. That's the crystal shelf, all nice and clean. This is the cat's room. It's littered with toys. It really needs to be cleaned up. It's not perfect, but at least it's vacuumed, and I tried to pick up a lot of the toys. So it's semi-clean for like a day until I trash it again. The absolute final thing I'm doing today is making the bed. I wash the sheets and my comforter. I'm gonna make the bed and I'm done for today. So I did the dishes, I watered the plants, I vacuumed the whole house, I dusted my crystal shelf and I put Link there. I added the lights, I cleaned out the fridge and wiped it out. The only thing I didn't really get to do today that I wanted to do is I wanted to purge my closet and donate some clothes. And we're going to go grocery shopping this weekend. So I'm calling it quits, y'all.